Hi, Lauren and Deborah. I'm Fred from the HR department. Today, I will conduct the training section on the updated hazard identification procedure to both of you. I have a requirement to provide this training according to the WHS Act 2011, especially specifically Division 2, Section 19, Primary Duty of Care, Clause 19.3, which states the provision of any information, training, instruction, or supervision that is necessary to protect all persons from risk to their health and safety arising from work carried out as part of the conduct of business or undertaking. To avoid any non-compliance with procedure, 2 new steps have been added, and according to the WHS regulation, every step in the procedure has to be completed thoroughly. Can I start?
Yeah.
Sure.
Step 1. I have completed the required hazard identification and reporting training prior to undertaking this procedure. This means that the person who is going to conduct this procedure must be trained and understand how to complete the task. Step 2, check on the emergency exits and doorway are free of any boxes and are accessible. Step 3, check fire extinguisher blanket are intact within date and incorrect location. On the 11th March 2020, both of you were identified as non-compliant with the hazard identification procedure because you did not check the step, check the fire extinguisher blanket are intact within date and in correct location. This may lead to the risk of injury to staff by tripping over the equipment if they are in the wrong location or equipment cannot be located for use in an emergency. Step 4, check on flooring is safe from slip and tripping hazard and is undamaged. Step 5, check first aid kit are fully stocked and all items are within date. Last time you both also did not check this step. This could lead to the risk that some items in the first aid kit could not be used if they were out of date. Step 6, check on electrical equipment has been tested, checked and tested within the last 6 months. Step 7, check on chemical are stored and labeled correctly as per the MSDS. Step 8, check on equipment, coffee machine, blender, juicer, or functionality and all appropriate guards are in place where required. Step 9, check on storage area, including fridge and freezers, are free from the boxes, rubbish, power lids, or any possible tripping hazard. Step 10, check inner's gate alarm functionality. Step 11, check on tables and chairs are in working order and are undamaged, not wobbly or broken edge or broken legs, etc. Step 12, check lighting is sufficient brightness. Step 13, check on fridge temperature, including display cabinet. Is that correct temperature for that specific function? Step 14, manual handling guidelines are posted in the kitchen surround as a reminder to staff. Step 15, harassment and discrimination information clearly posted in the kitchen surround, reminding staff of the restaurant zero tolerance policy. Step 16, use a mid checkpoint to review all the previous steps in the procedure. This step would remind you to review all the steps have been done above to ensure that you do not miss any step. Step 17, hazard identification checklist is reported and lodged on the TIP immediately after completion. And the last one, ensure the hazard identification checklist is forwarded by email to the WHS advisor and WHS committee chair at the time of the hazard identification process. That is the full list of steps in the procedure. Please remember, following the WHS policies and procedures, we have to complete the procedure carefully and to reduce the risk of accident or injury to employees and customers. Lauren and Deborah, is there any area which I need to explain more?
For this step, use a mid-checkpoint to review all the previous steps in the procedure. Does that mean we have to check all steps above to make sure we do not miss anything?
Yes, that's right. You got it. You don't have to repeat each step, but just check on the checklist that nothing has been missed.
No, thank you. Having a refresher training course, I am now confident to conduct another procedure.
That's great to hear, Deborah. Now I would like to provide some questions in the quiz to evaluate your understanding of this training section.
Okay, we're ready.
Here you are. You have 30 minutes to finish the quiz and I'll mark them right after. Lauren and Deborah, you two have completed the quiz satisfactorily. Thank you for joining us to the new hazard identification procedure refresh training section. Good luck and see you at the next training section.
Thank you.
Thank you.